Hello guys, welcome back to my channel again. This is Revdor Skincare. So today I want to show you how to make your own pink lip scrub. Yes, we know a lot of people battle with dark lips, and yes, I know it can be very embarrassing. I've been there before, so I know. So that's why I want to show you how to make your own lip scrub today. Yes, you don't need a lot of ingredients. These ingredients that you need for this tutorial, you can actually find them in your kitchen, and they are really, if you don't have them at home, you can, they are really easy to get. Yes, so before we get straight to this video, if you're just passing by my channel for the very first time, please click on the subscription button. It's that big red button you see there. It's easy, it's free. Just go ahead and click it right now and become a subscriber. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for joining me on this journey. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you'll be updated whenever I put up a new video. And then at the end of this video, if it was helpful to you, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to share with your friends and family. So let's get straight down to this video. For this tutorial, we're going to be needing sugar. We're using the regular white sugar. Honey. Yes, Revdor's honey. This is Revdor's product. Revdor honey. Make sure it's organic and it's unprocessed. Okay, and then we'll need coconut oil as well, and then our food coloring. We're going to use a few drops of this to make our pink lip scrub pink. Okay, so let's get down. You need a mixing bowl and a spoon. Okay, we're using 2 teaspoons of sugar, two teaspoons of coconut oil, two teaspoons of honey, when you have added, put all that in your mixing bowl. Just mix all that together, mix it up properly so all the ingredients are infused into themselves. Give it a good mix. That's how it looks after you mix it. That's your pink lip scrub. And now we're going to add our food coloring, because what is pink lip scrub without pink color? Yeah, so let's do that. I'm going to add about 7 drops. That's 3, 5, and 7. Add the coloring to your taste, okay? Yeah, that looks nice, doesn't it? Yep. So most people actually think or believe that you can only get pink lips when you are using the pink lip balm. That is not totally correct. As a matter of fact, you can get luscious pink lips if you are consistent with using your scrub, your pink lip scrub. Okay, and also you can use your pink lip scrub 3 times a week, unlike the body scrub, unlike your body scrub that you just need to exfoliate twice a week. Yeah, you can use your pink lip scrub 3 times a week. Okay, and if you are consistent, you definitely see good results. Yes, so once again, please subscribe to my channel, Revdor Skincare. I'm on all social media platforms. You can find me on Instagram, on Facebook, and on Twitter at Revdor Skincare. Okay, I'm going to leave my number in the description box below, and also the description for this tutorial that we have done today. Don't also forget to leave me your comments of the videos you'd like to see next. Okay, leave your comments, ask your questions. I'll be there to respond to you. So once we're done with that, I'm just going to put this into a small container, and this is going to go straight to my bathroom where I can remember to use it every time. That's actually more than yeah. So that's my pink lip scrub.